Let's see if the wheel will go back together now. Let's check the bearing while we're in here. Kind of rough. That one feels nice and smooth. This one not so much. Yeah, that doesn't feel good. Yep, so much for being easy. See how bad it really is. Maybe it's just me. If you move around a little bit like this, you don't destroy the seal. Probably put it back in again. Nice black ass grease, that's for sure. Yeah. Bad bearing. See all the rust in there? I don't know if you can tell how bad that is, but it's not smooth anymore. It's all eaten up. You can hear the roughness there on my fingernail on it. So that bearing's junk. So much for being easy. You knew that was going to happen. Okay, so now I got to clean that mess out of there. I'm going to put a bearing in here. So you spin around, check the other side too while we're at it. Doesn't come out. Oh well. Yeah, at some point it got water in there. Alright, flip it around on the other side. See how nice and shiny this one is? No noise on my fingernail, see? So this one was still usable. A little roughness here and there though. It's not new, that's for sure, but it's new compared to the other one. Alright. This one's got issues in it too, but I like that other one. Oh yeah. Definitely like new by a long shot. Wipe off everything. Most of your grease off right now. Definitely used in there. You know how uneven it is. See how this one over here? See the rust marks in that too? You see this is all smooth in places. It's not rough everywhere, but it is going through the heat treat. This one has gone through the heat treat all the way around everything on this side. It's definitely bad. Bad, 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 bad. Okay, so I'm gonna knock this thing out. How big of a hole we got through that thing? Big hole. Good. Big hole means we use big tools. Just a small tool is big tool. So I like using a big one where I can. So these are your pulling tool. Basically they hook on the inside of the race like that. And you hooks on the back side and you pull them on out of there. Catch those edges right there. So that's how you get these out. We gotta use a big ass hammer. This ain't the biggest one, but it's a big one. Alright, so I'm gonna beat these out and put some new bearings in here. You gotta check your end play when you're done. Looks like it's right up against the edge, so it's probably not gonna fit very well. Yep. Nice. Didn't leave any space for the tool to get behind the bearing race. That's nice of them. I think this one I turned down a little smaller. Yeah, I did. That one goes in there too. Why is it not going on the other side? Yeah, it'll go in this way. There it goes. It'll work that time. Alright, so I just beat on it with a big hammer. Somebody made a comment about beating on shit with a hammer. There's one really nasty looking bearing race. There you go. Little Junko. Matches the bearing and the seal. And do the other one. See how to modify this tool to make it fit in tight spots. These modern mag wheels don't give you a lot of room to get in there, like the old spoke steel hubs did. That wasn't very tight. They didn't believe in press fit anything, did they? Look how nice that rust area is through there. Real nice. I'm going to do the other bearing. Oh, there it is. I was hiding it from myself. Let's see what's down here. I got a care package for the owner. I don't think he's going to want it though. He might give it back. Saved it for him in the garbage can. Good place for it. Alright, Alright, the bearing kit. Go find ourselves a bearing kit. We need 2 Timken bearings and 2 seals, 84 and up. Anybody got any of those floating around? We can do all balls, we can do Timken, we can do import crap. All balls is import crap. It's just cheap import crap. Those are for early bike. $84.99. That's the cheapest kit I got because it's import crap. It's all balls. It's not Timken bearings. Usually got some weird ass seals they use too. Wonder what they're going to have in this package. We'll see. I'm sure it'll be good stuff, whatever it is. Said right on, it's a great set. It's great. See, right there, great set. We got seals in there and everything. Oh, we got stickers. That makes it worth lots of money. We got stickers. Gotta get over here, we can see better. We are on our workbench. So where'd my dirty rag go to? Yeah, hiding everything. Dirty rag. Clean off your tools when you're done with them. And you don't get all greasy. Unless you want to be all greasy. A little light in this place. Ah, I get light. You turn the electric bill on. Okay, so we got a seal. Bearings inside of more plastic. Ooh, they're all balls. It says right on, all balls. That means they're not Timken. They're also about half the price. Okay. Wipe off the goo. These we beat in. We could press them in with a press right here, or you beat them with a big hammer. Which way do we go? Damn. Alright, where's my tool? Lost my tool. There's a set ready to go. Boom. Yeah, man. It's really hard to put these in upside down with this tool. They If you use the press, you can put them in upside down pretty easy. Okay, line it up, get close. She's in. Is it in there all the way? I don't know. I always like using my other tools to check stuff like that. So I need another tool. So these are my pressing tools here. Appears to be in there hard. That feels good. Alright, bearings are in. Alright, back in a minute, get some more tools.